Hey there, hope you guys are doing good. Today we're gonna make an experiment. Something straightforward, something simple, nothing complicated, right? We do not like complicated things. I have some leftover things in the fridge, so I'm gonna put all this together and see whether it will work out or not. Yeah, as simple as that. So yeah, let's get started and yeah, let's do this. He's busy sleeping. Let me show you. Dodo. He's tired. Dodo. Hello. Just show you this. This is just yogurt and mint from the fridge. Right, it's just leftover. That's chicken breast. I really want to make this very straightforward and very simple, so I'm going to put salt, black pepper, mint and yogurt. I'm going to pour my mint and yogurt liquid here. I think it's a bit diluted, maybe if it's thicker a bit better, but the thing is I want to use leftover things from the fridge, right? So yeah, let's see how it turns out. 24 hours going to the fridge, and I'll see you tomorrow. I just remembered that I forgot to put salt, so you're gonna put salt in here. Salt. Okay, now it's good to go in the fridge. This is it, right? We're slipping in the fridge for 24 hours and it's ready now. So we're gonna heat up the pan, oil, and then we're gonna fry. I think I can even put in the oven. And I thought we can oven and pan. I'll just do it in the pan. Yeah, I think it'll be good in the oven as well, right? Oil, put this in the oven. Yeah, it'll be just perfect. But let's just do it in the pan. It smells amazing. The mint smell, right? Very strong. The smell of yogurt as well. Very strong minty smell. Okay. It looks like burnt here, right? Okay, that was done by purpose. I did cook a bit longer because I want the char. I want that kind of burn there. It just adds a lot of flavor to the chicken. Okay, beautiful. Grained mint chicken, yogurt mint chicken. Okay, call it whatever you want to call it. Alright. Second batch is gonna go in. Check this beauty out. This pan has a lot of bits here. It's loaded with flavor. I mean, all the chicken flavor, the mint, the yogurt, everything is here. Shouldn't go to waste. Okay, let's just do this. I'm gonna pour this into the pan and let's make a sauce. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but let's just do this. I know it doesn't look that appetizing, but I think the end result will be good. I'm not sure actually. I'm not so sure about this. It does look disgusting. I also have a freshly made yogurt and mint dip. And that one over there, which doesn't look so appetizing. Let me bring it closer. I have my mint, freshly made mint, and yeah, something else here, the one I made just now. Let's start tasting. Beautiful chicken. I'm just gonna taste the chicken on its own first. Gonna show you this right. This one here. It's supposed to be green chicken, but yeah, it's nicely charred. It doesn't really look green, but I hope it's gonna be really tasty. Nice and moist. Can taste the yogurt as well as the mint. I'm gonna find a piece. Okay, here. I'm gonna dip into this freshly blend. It's very simple. It was just yogurt, mint, as well as I added some spices and all that. Salt, black pepper. Here you go. Nice dip. It goes well with the mint, but it can also do without the mint as well, because the chicken on its own, right, is very flavorful. It's just that dipping in the mint just adds a lot more flavor. What? This I'm not so sure. Yeah. Small piece of chicken. Oh, this is no good, right? You can taste the mint. There's the yogurt there as well, right? But we also get the bitterness and some other nasty taste. Yeah. That's the fail. But this too, well, I think will also go well with the sweet sauce, because this is like savory, right? Something sweet, something contradicting, right? I think I will go well with something sweet as well compared with this mint sauce. But this recipe, right, it worked out. It turned out very well. And yeah, try it out. Yeah, it's very simple. Yogurt, mint, blend, salt, pepper, boom, right, overnight. And yeah, either oven or in the pan, it will both work. We did it in the pan. And yeah, it's also a delicious tasting chicken. Frying in the pan and using an oven, right? Don't worry about the char here. Hence the black or the brown, small black issue here, right? So don't worry about it, because I think it really gives a nice flavor to the chicken, right? So it's just good, right? You have to have that. Yeah, it's just awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next. I think the sweet dip will be really good with this. I don't know what it is, but something sweet. I'll say this experiment turned out pretty well. Excluding this guy here, It's nasty, but it's good stuff. If you're kind of lazy or you don't want to make the meal all the time, right? It's good enough to eat on its own. While doing this, I already have planned for my next food experiment. I think that's going to be interesting. It's kind of lame, but yeah, I think that's going to be interesting. See?